people will ask, psychologists will ask, Ministry of Health in Armenia has already asked, well, how can a program that does not involve people reliving, recalling their traumatic experience, that doesn't focus on their trauma, how can it possibly be of value? And this gives us a very good insight to what is happening when one practices transcendental meditation. Physiologically, and this is showing images of what is happening in the brain, those areas of the brain which would tend to be overactivated due to traumatic stress, due to depression, due to anxiety, due to other psychological stress disorders, those areas of the brain see a deactivation during the practice of transcendental meditation. What shows increased activation in the brain is those areas that are responsible for greater alertness and greater awareness. We say that transcendental meditation is a technique for developing restful alertness, very deep rest in mind and body, and at the same time, the mind is fully alert. Consciousness is more expanded. There are other explanations for how transcendental meditation relieves PTSD symptoms and improves the mental health of the individual. And at the same time, the brain is functioning more efficiently in terms of improved health. Psychologically, we're feeling a greater sense of well-being. And as we heard in the testimonials before, one simply feels better, feels more rested. One becomes more resilient with the ability to overcome one's hardships in life. All of this indicates a greater sense of well-being, and this results immediately in improved quality of life. Ultimately, what is occurring with TM is that unlike virtually any other technique, TM is allowing us to expand the consciousness of the individual, that basic level of human intelligence, that inner level of our own intelligence. This becomes more enlivened, creating the ability to be more self-referral or inward, having a sense of greater control in one's life, rather than being subject to all of the outer hardships and whims of day-to-day living.